In this video, we're given a picture of a unit circle and we're given a point on the unit circle, x and y. And we're being asked what the value of the tangent function is. So to answer this question, there are three things that you need to know. You need to know that the x value on the unit circle is always the cosine of the angle. The y value is always the sine of the angle. And you need to know that the tangent function is sine over cosine. Okay? Which means, okay, if I link all this together, that means that the tangent function is y over x. Okay? Because sine over cosine, that's y over x. So if you don't have this memorized, write all of that down. So anyway, they're asking us for the tangent. So the tangent is going to be y over x, like I just said. Okay, so the y value is 1/2. And the x value is radical 3 over 2. Okay, but check this out. Here's a shortcut for you. Notice how the denominators are the same. Well, when you divide, those denominators will cancel each other out. So that's going to give you, that's going to leave you with only the numerators, the 1 and the radical 3. So that's 1 over radical 3. Now, if I'm really lucky, I'll look over here and I'll see a 1 over radical 3. Okay, I don't. So you just need to understand that 1 over radical 3 is the same thing as radical 3 over 3. You should memorize that fact, all right? It comes up often enough. 1 over radical 3 is the same thing as radical 3 over 3. Side note, 1 over radical 2 is the same thing as radical 2 over 2. Memorize that as well. That's another one that comes up. Just in case you care, here's the reason why that is. It's called rationalizing the denominator. If I have 1 over radical 3, I could do this. I could multiply the numerator and denominator by radical 3. And then what I get is radical 3 over. Well, radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9. But guess what? The square root of 9 is 3. So I get radical 3 over 3. So you don't want to have to do that every time, so just memorize it. Anyway, so the answer is radical 3 over 3. Let's do the reveal. Check mark. That's the right answer.